excited, can you tell? Hi guys, a long time no vlog. Okay, my hair has decided it's gonna have a mind of its own today. Nimejaribu like to tie it into a puff. It's like nope. Anyway, so there's 2 points to this video. One is I bought myself a GoPro. I bought myself a GoPro and I'm so excited. And wow, anyway, yeah, from Amazon. And the second point is I shipped it through Savo store and they got it to me in like what, 6 days? Okay, maybe a week. Okay, maybe like basically less than 2 weeks, and I'm excited. And honestly, Savo store is the plug. This is not the first time I'm using them. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole point of this video. Anyway, I'm landing late. They close at 2 and it's 1:30 and I'm going to Mombasa Road. So thank God for the bypass. Anyway, let me stop yapping and go. Guys, I got my things from a Savo store and I am excited. Oh my goodness. I'm just so happy and I'm so excited. Anyway, so I went to the store. I went to their office. Iko hapa Mombasa Road, Vision Plaza. And the process is so simple. Like they just she asked me for my ID, my order number. She gave me candy. That's what I'm customer service A1. Wow, candy, really, Margiey. I'm easy to please. Anyway, so she asked for my ID and my order number, and then I got my things, and then she asked me to open the package just to like check that everything is fine. ASAP, real quick. I hadn't paid, so I had to pay there. Yeah, last minute. Anyway, so I paid there via M-Pesa. So very convenient, very quick, very quick. Like I said, I got the email that my things were shipped on 6th of November, and I got the email on Thursday. Was it? Let me check. I got the email that my goods were here on 14th of November. Which is, how many days is that? 14 minus 6, that's about 8 days, but with a weekend in between there. So I got my package in a week. Let me see. Basically what I'm saying is Savo store is the plug. Literally, they're not even paying me to do this. This is not the first time I've shipped with them or used their services. I've done that before in the Amazon, the time I did the video. I've forgotten, but I'll link it in the card in Akwanga somewhere okuju. So yes, they've not paid me to say this. I just really love their service and their speed, man. Speed. I got it in a week. And the good thing is their shipping costs are not insane because they ship based on weight. And my package was pretty light. So I've only paid like 2 Gs for a bill that came to over 50K. So I'm in awe. Savo store. Oh, that rhymed. Let me go pay for parking. I've just remembered I've forgotten to pay for parking. I don't want to be those guys. We all know those guys. So yeah. Let me go. I don't know if I'm vlogging anymore. Oh, I'll unbox it. Oh yes. Oh wow, this vlog clearly had no direction. I'm so sorry about that. I'm gonna get better at this. So I'm adding another segment to this vlog, the unboxing of my GoPro and everything I got for it, all its accessories and all that. I'm so excited. I'm excited. I hope you can. I hope I'm oozing excitement so that you're all excited with me. Okay, Margie, twende.